What's up everyone, welcome back to today. We've got an exciting deep dive into one of the most anticipated bikes of 2026, the Yamaha MT-15. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest motorcycles, reviews, and comparisons. Now, let's get into the details of the MT-15 and see what makes this bike the new king of the Streetfighter segment. Let's go. The Yamaha MT-15 has become an icon in the Streetfighter category. It has already made waves across the globe with its bold design, agile handling, and punchy performance. But, as you know, Yamaha doesn't rest on its laurels. With the release of the 2026 Yamaha MT-15, Yamaha is bringing new tech, a more refined design, and more power to the table. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about this amazing motorcycle, from its design, features, performance, and even its competition. Let's kick things off by talking about the design, because the MT-15 has always been a looker. The 2026 model takes the aggressive angular aesthetic of its predecessors and refines it even further. With sharp lines, a more compact form, and bold color options, this bike screams performance even before you twist the throttle. Starting with the front, we've got the signature OLED twin-eye headlamps. These lamps have been revamped for a more futuristic look, combining better lighting performance and improved energy efficiency. If you look at the bike head-on, you're greeted by a menacing gaze. The MT-15's eyebrow design, which we saw in the previous iterations, has been slightly tweaked to look more cohesive with the entire front fascia. The fuel tank is more sculpted, offering better ergonomics for riders. Yamaha has optimized the tank's design to provide more knee space for aggressive riding, while maintaining a visually compact and muscular stance. They've used a more premium plastic material for the bodywork, which keeps the bike's overall weight light while ensuring the durability needed for everyday use. And let's not forget the tail section, which continues with the sharp, minimalist approach. The rear end is clean, with a slim, floating LED tail light and a sleek, short fender. The design feels like it's built to conquer both the streets and the track. Now, let's talk ergonomics. The MT-15 is a bike that's built to be agile, and that means comfort is key. The 2026 model comes with a slightly higher handlebar position, which improves maneuverability without sacrificing control. Yamaha has also made slight adjustments to the seat, ensuring that it's not only comfortable for city commuting, but also for longer weekend rides. One of the standout features of the MT-15 has always been how it feels when you ride it. The balance between sporty and comfortable is very well executed. Whether you're looking to hit tight corners or cruise around town, this bike offers just the right amount of rider-friendly ergonomics to make it fun. Another cool feature is the split seat design, offering a more aggressive rider posture while giving the pillion some comfort too. The foot pegs are slightly repositioned to allow for better ground clearance, which makes it easier to scrape pegs on turns or to feel more confident when you're out there carving through the corners. Of course, what makes the MT-15 truly special is the performance, and the 2026 model does not disappoint. At the heart of the MT-15 is the same reliable 155cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that we've seen in earlier iterations, but with some key upgrades. Yamaha has fine-tuned the engine's fuel injection system to offer a more refined throttle response. The engine now delivers a crisper, smoother power band, especially in the mid-range. You'll find that the bike picks up speed faster, and there's a noticeable improvement in the lower end of the revs. That makes city riding a breeze, and when you twist the throttle on open roads, it still gives you that adrenaline-pumping rush. Speaking of power, the MT-15 now produces about 19.3 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 14.7 Nm of torque at 8,500 RPM, which gives it a significant boost compared to its older model. While it's not the most powerful bike in its class, it definitely feels like one of the most fun and nimble bikes out there. What's even more exciting is that Yamaha has included an assist and slipper clutch on the 2026 MT-15. This clutch system gives you smoother downshifts, preventing rear wheel hop during aggressive riding. It's a feature usually found on higher-end bikes, but Yamaha has included it here to make the ride even more enjoyable and to give you that extra level of confidence. When it comes to handling, the MT-15 has always been an agile machine, and the 2026 model continues that legacy. The chassis is built around a Deluxe Delta Box frame, which is light yet sturdy, offering excellent balance between rigidity and flexibility. This frame keeps the bike stable at high speeds while also providing the kind of nimble handling you want for tight corners and city streets. Yamaha has also revamped the suspension system. The front features an upside-down fork, which not only looks stylish but improves handling at higher speeds and better stability when cornering. The rear suspension gets a monoshock that has been tuned for both comfort and responsiveness. Riders will appreciate the improved suspension travel, which makes the MT-15 a lot smoother over bumps and potholes. This also enhances the bike's off-road capability, so you can take it on some light trails without worrying about bottoming out or losing control. The braking system on the 2026 MT-15 is more refined as well. It comes equipped with a 282mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, offering plenty of stopping power for a bike of this size. Yamaha has also introduced dual-channel ABS as standard across all variants, enhancing safety during hard braking or wet conditions. The ABS system works seamlessly to ensure the wheels don't lock up, giving you more confidence in tricky situations. Also, the wider rear tire gives the bike better grip on the road, contributing to its overall stability during hard braking or quick cornering. The technology side of things has seen a significant upgrade too. The 2026 MT-15 comes with a fully digital LCD instrument cluster, which is bright, easy to read, and packed with useful information. You get everything from your speed, fuel level, trip meters, and even a gear position indicator to help with smoother shifts. One of the coolest additions is the Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to sync your smartphone with the bike. Through the Yamaha app, you can access ride analytics, track service schedules, and even get notifications about the bike's health and performance. It's a nice touch for those who want to stay on top of their maintenance and ride statistics. Now, let's talk about the price and availability. The 2026 Yamaha MT-15 is expected to be competitively priced, falling somewhere in the Rs 1.75 lakh to Rs 1.85 lakh range in India, at around $4,200 and to $4,500, and in other global markets. The bike is expected to hit showrooms by mid-2026, and Yamaha has hinted at introducing more color options, along with special editions for limited markets. This should make it even more appealing for different types of riders looking for something that fits their personal style. When it comes to competition, the 2026 Yamaha MT-15 goes head-to-head with some of the most popular street fighters in the 150 to 200cc range. You've got the KTM Duke 200, Honda CB Hornet 160R, and a Suzuki Gixxer 155 as its direct competitors. However, what sets the MT-15 apart is its perfect balance of performance, design, and tech. While bikes like the KTM Duke 200 might be slightly more powerful, the MT-15 offers a much smoother and more refined riding experience. So, to wrap things up, the 2026 Yamaha MT-15 is definitely a bike to keep an eye on. It takes everything we loved about the previous models and improves on it in almost every department, from the sharper design to the improved engine to the new tech features. This bike is all about striking the perfect balance between daily usability and thrilling performance, making it one of the most versatile options for urban commuters and weekend warriors alike. If you're looking for a street fighter that's both fun to ride and packed with features, the MT-15 should be at the top of your list. Alright guys, that's all for today's review of the 2026 Yamaha MT-15. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and let